la disolución de la Secretaría.
After addressing the country on national television several days ago, now President Cristina Kirchner has been called to appear in court to testify on the death of prosecutor Alberto Nisman. The judicial officer had filed a criminal complaint accusing the president and her government top officials of a cover-up attempt in the Amy Jewish Center bombing case. According to the evidence found by investigators earlier this week, Nisman also had planned to issue an arrest warrant for Kirchner.
She was called to testify as a witness because, based on her speeches and statements, she appears to know important details about the case. As president, Kirchner has immunity, but there would be a considerable political cost if she refuses to testify.
Amid one of its most serious political and institutional crises, Argentina is witnessing how dozens of conspiracy theories exist surrounding Nisman's death. According to the government, the opposition is using the case for political purposes and is spreading the rumor that Nisman was murdered and the president was the mastermind behind the murder. While both the government and the opposition are under close scrutiny by the Argentine judiciary, experts argue that this is something entirely reasonable in any democracy, especially when the criminal case involves the chief of the executive branch of government. They also affirm that any media harassment against the judicial officials represents a challenge to the justice system.
The prosecutor and a judge must carry out the investigations in an independent manner, regardless of what U.S. lawmakers, the media, or whoever can say. We are facing a serious lack of institutional credibility in Argentina, and that's why people is very distrustful when it comes to this kind of investigations.
President Kirchner is facing a tough domestic and international campaign by right-wing opposition and its allied media. Furthermore, the Committee on Foreign Affairs of the U.S. House of Representatives announced it would send delegations to follow the judiciary investigations in Argentina. The Argentine ambassador in Washington slammed the initiative as a breach to the country's sovereignty. Manuel Gifoni, Press TV, Buenos Aires.